Lorraine Guyo is a content creator, a brand influencer, and a businesswoman as well.
Lorraine Guyo is a Zimbabwean internet celebrity who got famous after posting a video on social media asking that men propose love to her ahead of Valentine's Day in 2019.
I was born on the 23rd of February 2000, Munomo Harare, Harare Poly. Then I did my primary school in Glenville, at Glenville 2 Primary School. Then I moved, I went to Mashingo, I went to Dakamufa, but I went to Gangari, Patsiga. Then I ended Kuzaka, where I did my O-level there.
She came to be known as the girl as the video went viral.
Before 14.
Later that same month, Lorraine Guyo quit her job at the Mayor's Hotel because her career as an influencer and a comedian was starting to flourish.
I never imagined that one day I would be a social media content creator. It happened by mistake actually, but I grabbed the opportunity and I turned the lemons into lemonade. Because I actually did a joking video when I was at work, and then I posted it per story bango. The next thing is trending. I was confused. I didn't even know what to do. But then I'm grateful because I made people who were like, you are trending. Let's make money out of it. Then Analumumba came through. This is the time for you to market my companies. And then I started getting calls from Anana. And they were like, we want you to market our business. Like, konda to a celebrity. So then I was like, then it's the right time for me to start doing brand influencing and creating content. So this is where it all began.
As her following rose and she became a well-known personality in the country, brands started working with her as their ambassador. Lorraine Guyo has ventured into buying and selling hair and now owns her own hair shop. Well done, darling.
I'm into hair. I sell braids, I sell wigs. I've got a salon as well. So to offer my services of plating. We also do makeup, we also do your nails, we do your hair. So yeah, I'm a business woman.
Tushuka ngotaura utaza kuona kuti dhiwa masura sei kana kuti bvumaranda muri sei kana bvumaranda makati tangotaura chakurumazana mari yachinowanikwa sei uzanengova sei mari.
I always say for me to be Lorraine today is because of my followers, it's because of the companies that I've worked with, it's also because of my family. As much as there was a lot of bashing from social media, but there are people who were genuinely there for me. In the midst of the storm, Panama company, and they were like, you know what, we want to work with you. They didn't look at the negative side of what people are saying, but they were like, we want to work with you. My followers, support follower page, because I only had 200 friends on Facebook. But right now I'm sitting on 520k followers. They started coming with, you're actually fun. But they were like, you're actually fun. My companies are still where my companies, and I was like, I'm to collaborate among my content creators and a comic pastor and a madam boss. So there was a lot of support. Even from Vanhu industry, there was just a lot of support from my family members, from my followers, and from my companies. There was just a lot of support, which also helped me to gain confidence in myself.
Nae, muso mungu ndikandira chikamu utazakana kufuka maulidi wako. Unoshandeyo. Ndokutaurira miraona.
Usadile zvakabhena.
Ndokutaurira.
Kwa unotsamwa chidya.
Iyo.
Ko
dumbu ndora tsamwa.
Usadye kana watsamwa.
Dumbu ndora tsamwa.
Andikupokota. Kwa ujile.
Dumbu ndora tsamwa.
Kwa ujile.
ndokutaurira miraona
uri kudyirei wakatsamwa zvakambofambira nawo usadya kana wakatsamwa kana munhu wapopota ubva waramwa nechikafu kune zvoti wapopota wakukondira nekudya popota urama chikafu chacho semunhu asina kupfugamira.
Besides the skits she usually does with musician Peter Dewa Moyo, Lorraine has landed herself roles as an actress. She got a minor role in a Netflix feature film called The Bad Bishop that was released in 2021.
I love Genevieve Naji from Nigeria. I follow her a lot, and her acting skills inspires me a lot. And one day, if I get the ndendashika nenda kuwesa bora rangu.
Ndinonyengetera masikati anasi Jehovha ini Mwari baba munondirangarira kana ndikachema nekwamuri baba ndiri kunyengetera baba ndichisa marriage yangu na Peter mukati memaoko enyu Jehovha baba ndinonyengetera masikati anasi nemuzita raJesu baba ndiri kunamata mweya wamasimba ose baba ndichiti Peter iyeye baba haisi kuda munhu neurema hwake Jehovha asi ndakangomuda zvakadaro baba chindidzorera iwo benzi ramakandipa mweya mutsvene baba wese warara naye nemuzita raJesu ngaapenge baba vakadzi vese vacharara navo baba ngavapenge nezita raJesu kuti zvifumuke baba kuti vakadzi vamutize baba makataura mukatusa regemuro yachirarama baba mashamwari ake mweya mutsvene anomupa vasikana Jehovha ngavafe vese vanomupa vasikana Jehovha kana akaona mukadzi ngaone tsuro kana kuona gudo baba ngaashatirwe baba nemuzita raJesu ngavateere kasingapere vanorara nemurume wangu Jehovha baba chengetedzai marriage yangu Jehovha nekuti imi pachenyu baba munovenga divorce baba marriage baba zvakaoma kuda munhu neurema hwake asi ndinonamatira benzi rangu irori ramakandipa Jehovha muchengetedzei baba muuraye mabhishu ese muupenyu hwake muchengetedzei baba muuraye mabhishu ese baba vasikana vanouya nemweya yemanjusu kuzotora murume wangu ngavafe nezita raJesu pavanorara naye ngavafe baba ngaarege kubuditsa mari Jehovha kana akuda kuvapa mari ngaaone chimbuya chakachembera Jehovha arege kana kubuditsa kana dola Jehovha ngaandipei mari mukadzi wake nemuzita raJesu.
Can delete a kick out? Was going to go feel my heart. Kuna memory futi. Tokadaganisana go delete can feel after my heart. Mana. To be safety Sharon. Mana. It's okay. You don't delete a bush. I was prayer.
After she became famous, Guyo started dating Facebook celebrity Thomas Chijanje, who later was rumored to have allegedly stolen money from Lorraine. Messy. On Facebook, Guyo claimed that Thomas had played with her, stolen her money, and left her with an STI. The drama.
Who doesn't have an ex? Who doesn't get into a relationship and the relationship fails? As I said before, those are rumors. Thomas Chijanje is my ex. And it didn't work out. The same way your relationships are not working out. That's how mine didn't work out. And life goes on.
Despite all these accusations, Thomas Chijanje poured cold water on them and said everything they did was consensual. Ever since then, Lorraine Guyo has not gone public with who she is dating. Once bitten, twice shy.
I was in a relationship, but I'm currently single. And I'm not searching. And don't believe kuti rudo gunongo kuana. Kuri mukuita zonongo chita. I'm a Christian, so I always refer to the Bible. Saka ndongo tasa rute wenguva yedu kuti ndiri mbindure kushanda Boaz wangu achauya. In the fullness of time, God makes everything beautiful. When the time is right, ndicharooriwa. I'm 24 years old. I still have all the time that I want.
However, on Valentine's Day this year, she took to Facebook to brag about a car her boyfriend had bought her. The identity of the mystery man is yet to be revealed.
Ndakatengegwa mota and with my boyfriend.
Okay.
My ex actually, because you have an ex car. And I posted it on social media. As usual, there were rumors and we ignore as usual. Recently I came to ZBC. I had an opportunity to meet with the CEO. It was not me alone actually. My content creators are Kawanda, they came to meet up with the CEO. But now we are kuti Lorena anakurogwa. uri musikana zvekare obva waonekwa wakamira CEO. People, they always have something to say, like I said. But I came to ZBC meeting yandakaita, it was so productive, and I'm actually working on a project with ZBC. What people say, as I said, they will always say. Muchatona panotobuda project, they will always say something. And ZBC is open for my content creators, which I didn't know, which I now know. And it's a good opportunity for us. I'm so grateful. Nimkana watakapiwa iwoyo. Vanotaura zvavasinokubuda zvepa TV.
Lorraine is no stranger to trending on the internet, and she has had her fair share of scandals.
We were not even kissing. We were not. Taiseka achipa speech. So testakaseka tichitarisa pasi. Mama V is my friend. Yo. Wow. He's my friend.
Hands 10,000 and it. I prayed kugomo. So, pa 10,000 ye loan. Chekutanga. Pane zvakasara kuroora. Parusambo pakasara 2,000. Mateke ndanyebvu pakasara 1,500. Mombe kwakasara 2. Nehembe dzana mama. So, tapedza, I think ukutogona kushandisa something like 4,000. Over 1,000. Yeshop. Totinga TV, then toshinja DSTV redu toita explore onwa mari mukando toatatenga masofa. I prayed. Mira.
People, they always have something to say. Chero ukatengesa dombo mwangu noti rinonyanya kumara aiwa rakanyanya kutsetsepa. I just believe kuti in life you have to believe in yourself before vanhu vakuudza, and be so much positive about your dreams and go for what you want. Don't listen to what people will say, because people, they will always have something to say, whether uruita chinchakanaka or uruita chinchakashata. Vanhu vanongotaura all the time. So if someone is like doing something and they are getting too much criticism, I just tell them, hey guys, iwo ndio uri kuziya zvauri kuda. Pamwe pachona munhu ari kukutuka pa social media ukadhumana naye unoti yii mwari ko nai, you know. And I believe kuti munhu ari kuita something better more than you, they don't have time to criticize you. It's only those vari kufila kuti maybe you're a competition or maybe wakuda kuenda pamusoro pavo, but someone who is doing much better than you in life, they don't have time to criticize you.
Guyo has been trolled because of her bad English on the internet a lot of times. But I mean, come on, y'all, chakaoya ningarava.
We are used to these things. Tatato zijaira, like it's something that I'm thought, oh, okay. Nasikwapuda kuchinzi Lorraine, oh, nice. To proceed in life, because we can't control what people want to say. Vanongomuka nasa vakati toda kutrendesa kuti Lorraine naPeter vari kudanana. Okay. Ini izvozvi ndikatobuda newe pazhapa takabatana roko. Pamwe tikutoseka togona kuti togwa picture Lorraine's new husband. So imagine if I'm going to listen to all those things, then life yangu inotomira kurarama. So sometimes I don't even see the things. Did you see kuti pane chakadai chiri kutenda? Sometimes I see them, but I just ignore. I don't even respond to any of those things. Oh, Peter is my sekuru. Okay. But Paku Ekta is my husband. And Peter is my friend as well. I've worked with Peter for more than 5 years. And he is such an amazing person. And Gadaenda Wiyanai Asuno Guaranas. But he's such an amazing person. We are not dating in real life. I know that's what you want to ask. We are not dating in real life. Peter is married. Peter is my sekuru, and tunaita maskits tese, and we work together.
Tushuka ngotaura utaza kuona kuti dhiwa masura sei kana kuti bvumaranda muri sei kana bvumaranda makati tangotaura cha uri mazana mari achinowanikwa sei uzana ngova sei mari
sikamari vana ndiriudiwa
kana dzikamaika vabereki ngobika iko unongotsara wauto zvinonge watomusha mukadzi
but zvamuri kutaura zviri kuendana baba indangobvunza mari yerendi kuti muri kuramba makanya
mari yerendi ndinayo asi unotaura neni zvakanaka ndinoshanda panapa unova iwo hapana chaunoita kungobika unobva ndigona kubika nini unobva pandakaurona ndasingagona kubika ndasingagona kuwacha neni imbori mari yacho uye yakakwana chinji yangu baba nhasi manheru ndoshandisa baba wako anokupa mari 3 months yekuruka musoro anongonyombaenda masowe toza uri kwamaoe munhu munochikadzi sura wangogara panapa chaunoita chii panapa chaunoita chiiwo message yokubasa uda mari yeionokuyuro haubati foni yangu kaiwe
Peter, ini ndiri kukumbira $20 iko pamusoro but musikana anonzuzina kuti thanks baby
imari yangu yeraundi inobatira foni yangu
anokuti baby kuchite sei
haubati foni yangu kaiwe ubati foni yangu yakuno watova foni yangu
The comedian has also had a public birthday party disaster where she booked a place she could not afford and asked fans to buy tickets. The party flopped and Lorraine was left publicly embarrassed.
Andina kuitira birthday party nangu mu-HICC. Ndakaitira pool section. And we wanted to accommodate 20 people. Tikatuzo accommodate 30 people. But because as Zimbabweans, we love rumors, we love content. As I told you, fame loves you. So people, they always try by all means to make sure I trend. Ndakabva buda nchinzi I tried the party mu-HICC. Guys, chero ndakanzi ndiri kurwara, who would do a birthday party mu-HICC? But then I allow them to say whatever they want as long as it satisfies their ego. I'm at my house, I'm fine, life goes on. They are saying whatever that they said. We had our own birthday party, we celebrated, takalama keke, life goes on.
Apart from that, munorasikirwa neremekedzo rwaminaro mafans enyu semimbi mukuru udaiso.
Aiwa zviri munzeve muno mwari ngopakakanganisika kufamba vamwe vakaipa but asi vana vadiki tichitofunga kuti tikugona isu tichitotadza but tozvigadzirisa sora kwamudi wangu.
I've never staged any controversy. And it was very controversy. I've never staged anything. You are caught in between. My followers now wedu. Already. Kurira tutorial na social media. My followers tutorial now. So ku stage shangu fane papa. ZBC ndaka stage ere. Kuya pano ndikaona CEO. Ndikaita izo zvichi pa ZBC page pane 2,100 comments. Did we stage that?
Let me tell you, that is our money.
Pauli.
It's ours. What belongs to you belongs to me. That is our money. I prayed for this money. Pandakenda prayer mountain. Intika faster.
Papa, Corona is business. Makuda kutavura business kumurubeni.
Sales are just dangu tulizo pesa.
Kakanda ndawana mari. Imali alone kai. Imali alone kai.
Asimari.
Iwe.
Asimari.
Wakutitira budget pa mari yangu.
Saka uri kubenefita chipa ugara nini? Uri benefita. It's okay. It is well with my soul.
My advice, kune mwana msikana, a girl child, is don't give up on your dreams. And uchatoita my mistakes, but don't give up. I've things that I've done that I'm not proud of. But you learn along the way. Don't listen to what people say. Be more focused on your dreams, and above all, have a good relationship with God. Because I feel like ukavani a personal relationship na Mwari, unogona kudzoreka on some of the things, because your roots are defined by the word of God. So pane zvimwe zvinhu zvaunonoti hautoite when you've got a relationship with God. So go for your dreams. Don't give up. No one is coming to save you. So you have to stand up and be there for yourself.